Welcome to the Start Learning Joomla video tutorials, the fastest and easiest way to master Joomla. In this video, we're going to show you how easy it is to structure a website using Joomla. Let's start with the basic building blocks that Joomla has provided. These are sections, categories, modules, templates, and menus. If you're already familiar with these concepts, don't worry. We will cover the basics now and move on into much more detail as we progress. And if you know little or nothing about Joomla, then you've come to the right place. We're going to start at the very beginning and explain everything in plain English. We have also put together an associated PDF guide to help you understand many of the background concepts, key definitions, and diagrams that will show you how everything interrelates in much more detail. This guide illustrates how to look at Joomla from both the user and developer's point of view. It also doubles as a perfect cheat sheet for you later down the road as you are developing your own websites using Joomla. If you don't have a copy of this guide, you can download it by visiting the web address shown here. If you need to, pause the video, visit the website, and download the PDF guide now. Great! Now let's begin. We will cover the Joomla installation and testing in an upcoming video. For now, let's start with learning how Joomla actually works. Joomla is broken up into two major pieces, the front end and the back end. The front end is what users see when they visit your site. The back end is the administration view. This is where you configure how the site looks, manage users, add articles, and so on and so forth. The heart of any website is content. Content means different things to different people. For our purposes, though, content simply means articles. We will go over other content such as images in a later video. Articles can be news stories, blog posts, company information pages, or any similar content. In the Article Manager, we get a bird's eye view of articles on our site. Since we're starting from scratch, we don't have any articles yet. Throughout the course of this program, we will create some articles while carefully explaining how and why we perform each step in the process. For now, just know that we will be spending a lot of time here as we build the content of our site. In Joomla, you are given complete control over where and how articles appear on your site. So let's talk about how to organize these articles. Joomla uses sections and categories to organize articles. These features allow you to organize the content of your site into sections and further break those sections down into separate categories. Think of sections as overall functional areas of your site. For example, if your website's function is to provide information pages, company information, a corporate blog, and technical support to your customers, then you would treat each of these as separate sections. This might not perfectly match how the menus are laid out on your website, but this is simply the top-level breakdown of your content articles. Categories allow us to break up sections into more detail. For example, your support section may have FAQ articles, how-tos, white paper download pages, etc. To organize these, we would simply create categories for each one under the support section. Joomla doesn't currently support breaking down content into further subcategories. You really only get to organize things at three levels: sections, categories, and articles. While they're considering changing this in future versions, it's important to get used to breaking up your content this way right now. At first, this may seem a little strange, but it actually works quite well in practice. And, since every site is different, we put together some real-world examples in the PDF guide that will show you some sections and category layouts others have successfully used. We will be going into more detail on sections and categories in upcoming videos to demonstrate the full potential of these tools. If you'd like to get instant access to the rest of the series, please visit the URL on your screen right now.